Happy Sea Olympics.
A lot of our friends are in the other seas, and I love them so much, obviously, but today, no. Today's a little different.
Powder sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso?
Good morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas. Look at this beautiful view right outside Berlin. I woke up feeling really sick. This is not good. I'm gonna make breakfast and then we'll catch up. What is today?
Sea Olympics Day. You're divided up into the seas. I don't know how many there are.
I think there's like 6 or 7.
6 or 7 seas. Just decided on like what room number you're in, and then all of the seas get really competitive throughout the voyage. And today we just do a whole bunch of random little challenges to determine like who's the winner, and obviously it's going to be Red Sea. And we're going to take a voyage-wide picture today, and it's just going to be really fun.
Voyage 132 is the best voyage ever. Round 2, baby, round 2. If you know, you know. It looks so good. Happy Sea Olympics. Happy Sea Olympics. Guys, Kate and I are literally sick as a dog.
Yeah, if you couldn't tell.
Meet my rival. Kylie is in what sea? No.
Yes.
Red Sea, best sea.
No!
Red Sea, best freaking sea. I think some of the other ones, I'll show you all the names of the other ones, but the ones that come off the top of my head are Aegean Sea, Baltic, Yellow Sea.
I feel like 2 French phrases.
Yeah, I forget the other ones.
Do you want to go? Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, should we go to the lobby?
We should go to the lobby. Hi guys.
Today's gonna be the best day ever.
It is gonna be the best day ever. Good start already. What mascara is that?
This is the L'Oreal Voluminous. This is like my favorite mascara in the whole world.
That looks so good.
Thank you, Mama.
We need to go get ribbons.
Okay.
Okay, let me, oh, I'm sorry.
I literally have like half of my presentation together. I still need to put on my shirt and take off my slippers. They're doing ribbons right now and paint in the reception. So we're gonna go quickly grab that. I'm gonna walk out with my hair like this.
Feel my toes.
I can't wait to braid my daughter's hair one day. I wanna get like really good at it.
Every time you hold me, I'm comfortable enough to feel your warmth that starts in my soul. Now holding me tight wherever.
Should I stop it here or should I keep going? I love being a girl.
I'm gonna do some more braids. Thoughts?
I'm here for this.
Here for the braids.
Here for the braids. I just went to reception and picked up some little festive things to spice up our Red Sea outfits. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I cut 6 pieces of ribbon. Hopefully these are long enough that we can put in our hair if we want. Love this type of ribbon. Back at home, I go to Hobby Lobby and get, I forget what the name of this. It's not tulle, but it's like good for wrapping gifts too. And got 6 of those, and then I got 3, oh shoot, I only got 2 of these. Oh no, 3. Of some like stretchy leftover stuff from the shirts that people have been cutting. And then I got these gems. They're red hearts, so I think I'm gonna put some on my face, kind of bedazzle it up. But there's also red paint out there. I just don't want to take it back. Nicole, should I put the ribbon here, like at the root of the braid, or at the bottom?
I think I'm gonna do mine at the bottom of the braid.
Okay.
So, have you ever been Dorothy for Halloween?
I have. So I actually am participating in Sea Olympics. There's a reason that I failed to mention this earlier. Not really competing in an athletic thing, but someone had to do it, and yeah, I signed up for word search, so I will be doing that today.
Don't forget about lip sync.
Can't forget about, oh, and I am in lip sync too. Okay, and then for gems, are you gonna put 1 or both? I'm thinking 2.
We were losing it yesterday.
It looks so cute, Caro. I love it. Scene.
Hair ribbons you have?
Good morning! But are you up now?
Yeah.
Went back to sleep. It's time to wake up because it's Sea Olympics Day and you gotta get ready. Ooh, yeah, go do that real. Oh, we are like fully ready. Okay, I'll see you soon.
No.
Happy Sea Olympics.
Your best interest in mind. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Look at how cute.
Oh, this is cute. I like that braid.
This is it.
This is it.
Favorite perfume, Sol de Janeiro, Black Amber Plum. Yeah. All right, guys, these are the final fits. We're missing Amanda.
Still sleeping?
Oh, okay. Should we go wake her up?
Yeah, let's wake her up.
Good morning, USA.
The opening ceremony.
Okay, we have to get her. Okay, tell them your name and who you are, because you're like,
My name is Asen. I'm the RD of the
we love the sash.
You see the signature?
You see the signature?
See on the back. Here we go. We're gonna win it today.
Good morning, Voyagers. This is your captain speaking.
We have sea pictures at 10:15. It's 10 o'clock right now. But first, I need to hydrate. My throat kind of hurts. Plus, we're all getting sick, so yeah.
We're gonna lose our voices by the end of the day.
Oh, absolutely.
I'm used to just wanna try you on. Arabian Sea. Who do you want to be? Arabian Sea. I believe that we will win. You right there. Second one.
It just started, and Brennan's already dead.
I'm recharging for my events.
What are your events?
Tug of war, push-ups, pull-ups, and relay race.
Okay, athlete. Craving like an iced coffee right now, so we're gonna go to the library bar and get that. Guys, the Olympics might be my favorite day. Vanilla. Yeah, thanks. I got an iced vanilla coffee with almond milk. Also, this is the downside to having layers in your hair, is it literally just comes undone. A lot of our friends are in the other seas, and I love them so much, obviously, but today, no. Today's a little different. 5037. Taste test. Yeah, try this. Try that.
Oh, did you get it with the milk?
With almond milk. That's good. Oh my god. Almond milk.
Stop it.
Go Resi.
Writing center.
Supposed to help you.
Oh, we're at word search, by the way.
Caroline's our hidden gem. She's gonna kill it at the word search.
Caroline. What you thinking?
I hate to admit it, but I did take a nap. Nicole watched basketball though.
I love basketball. It was so good.
Next one that we're watching is CrossFit. We've got like 4 of our friends doing it.
I'm gonna go get it and watch my stuff.
Hey guys, Baltic Sea's winning.
We're gonna move the chest.
Who wants it more?
Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, up, 3.
Come on, Brennan, you got this. Keep going. So close, Brennan. So close.
Come on, go, Liv, you got it. Let's go. You got it. You got it. I'm so ready. I'm like shaking. My socks are wet.
Who do we think's gonna win?
Brody, 100%. Baltic.
Brody.
Baltic, baby.
Brody.
It's Brody, guaranteed. Garrison, here we go.
Congrats to Brennan for winning push-ups for Red Sea.
So good.
He literally killed it. I think he did like 40 something. But it was to the pacer test in the background, and if you know what that is, trauma, okay? Trauma. Anyways, we're about to take our back of the ship photo. We're stopping the ship. They're getting a drone, and we're taking a big picture. This is really sad because this means that it's the end of the voyage, basically. Tear. So anyways, we'll see you up there. Ciao. She woke up!
I woke
Baby
up!
woke up!
The Olympics was so good for the 2 hours of it that I was awake for.
This is too good. We're done.
All-nighter tonight.
All-nighter. Tasty.
So we need a patty burgers and then they have this flat cut it up,
And so like each district has like a couple ordering halls, so you just send people to go with a bucket and they
Bean
bring it
burger,
back on
dude.
their head.
Hi vlog. Happy Vlogmas. Her dad and I are her biggest fan, and no one else can compete with that. Just saying.
Thanks, Mom. I look a mess right now, but I just got off the phone with my family. It's been a while since I've had a good cry. I feel like I have not cried at all this whole voyage, and ironically my friends all told me that out of everyone I'm the one that they would least expect to cry. I haven't cried at all this whole voyage, but I did cry just now, like a lot. I'm gonna go rinse off and take a shower, and then I will give you guys an update on who won Sea Olympics. Mwah. I am going to do some editing for tonight. So I'm bringing my laptop and then some of my work equipment, and we're gonna head up to the library because Vlogmas is not gonna upload itself.
Congratulations, everybody! Woo, woo, woo! Special shout out, Yellow! If you don't remember, advance your clock by 1 hour. Turn your clock forward by 1 hour before you go to bed. Wake up tomorrow.